I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats.
Today I'm making Texas-style cowboy tacos on a discada inside my Kamado Joe. Cowboy tacos have 4 different kinds of meat. I start out with the bacon. I get it nice and crisp, move it to the side, then cook up some chorizo, followed by some ground pork, and finally some ground beef. I have the discada set up over direct heat inside my Kamado Joe, and the bottom of that bowl is about 650 degrees, so this comes together really fast. After the meat's cooked, I make a hole, add the vegetables. In this case, it's onion, bell pepper, and some poblano pepper, and then finally some cherry tomatoes that have been cut in half. And in just a few minutes, this dish is ready to serve. Plate it along with some warm tortillas, and you got a great meal. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe. See you next time on Austin Eats.